Hi guys, so today I have a really fun set for you. This is the Die Press Slimline Pocket Cards dies. Die Press did send these items free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. So these are available on HSN. I'll have the links there as they are already and available. And you guys can check those out if you'd like, along with several other items that Die Press brought for July 13th craft day. I have been looking forward to this. I think a lot of you guys have too. I've heard a lot of comments. So I've heard a lot of nice comments and you guys are really looking forward to this one. So let's try it out. So I'm gonna pop this open real quick. So this one is super fun in my opinion. It has all the little interactive, like just fun stuff. And I don't know if you can tell what's going on here, but it's like a slimline. You can put it on a card base, you can put it on a project, maybe even a traveler's notebook. I can't bring those up. However you want to use it. But it's this outer die makes this piece that has these little areas for like little pockets, and then you have a little decorative area, but you can use this as a pocket by itself if you were to just glue this down on a small project and just glue this area. That makes its own pocket, but these pockets, or this area, is to decorate like in these little areas, right? It makes the 3 pockets. And then we have the dies to cut, sure, some stamps here. We have the tags that can pop in there, some other little decorative items with the tag there. And let's look at the stamps. Oh, I love the color palette they used for the carrier. Very soft and sweet. So we have the hearts, sending you love and hugs. That's that one. I'm only a phone call away. I've been thinking of you. The little flowers, all kinds of decorative items there. Sister, mom, the little telephone, the hearts, more floral sprays, number 1. Love you, friend. You're an amazing, and then obviously you would put friend or something, or mother or sister, whatever it is. Grateful for you. Everything is better with a, and then for the best, and I could not ask for a better, and then whatever it is. So I was just trying, because it's very light, you know, with the beautiful pastel colors. Sorry. Happy to have you in my life, and wonderful, fabulous you. And the little like flower garden, how cute, and all the little floral areas here. Again, some of the dies go back to some of those florals. And it looks like the heart bunch too. Cute. Okay. And then it comes with the elongated cutting folder because it is longer die, and I'll measure that in just a minute for you guys. And of course we have our instructions, a slimline pocket card, and it's showing you all the different ways that you can layer up. Look at that. I can ask for a better, friend, mom, you know, everything is better with a mom, everything better with a sister, with a friend, for the best, and then pairing those up with a little tag background if you want to use that. Some other decorative elements, and the instruction sheet here. It says using a paper trimmer you want to cut yourself, of course, a slimline card base, 3.5 by 8.5, and then you can cut the pocket, 3 decorative panels, 3 tags, whichever one you like, and then just, you know, put the glue, pretty straightforward there, and then put your little decorative panel and pop them in. So sweet. And I will measure this for you guys, but you know, it's basically something that's going to go into that the actual panel itself is 3.5 inches wide, and then it is about 6 3/4 ish tall, maybe 6 5/8. So it fits right on the front of your card there. So I'm gonna grab some papers and some inks and all that kind of good stuff, and we'll get started. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna do like a purple card. So first thing, it says to cut a card base. I'm going to use this deep purple color. I have different shades of purple, and I have some little pretty paper that has like butterflies and things. That'll be that little pocket cover, that part of it. So let me cut this. So with a standard A2 size piece of paper, it's already 8.5 inches wide by 11. So we're going to cut it at 7 inches on this other side. Let me put my little extender here. And 7 inches. And then we're just going to score it at 3.5 inches on that 7-inch side. And I can use this for something else. Maybe for the tags, we'll see. So on the 7-inch side, we're going to score it at 3.5. Sometimes people ask me why I have this line right here. It's set at 4 1/4, just so I can see it and know that's 4 1/4 and not have to think about it, because I use standard A2 size a lot. Cards. But that's that. So that's our card base. And then I'm going to use this purple color to cut this piece. I'll remove it carefully here. And so in step 2 it's telling you, oopsie, I dropped a piece here, to cut one of these guys. So I'll cut one probably from this direction just to save my paper. Tape it down so it doesn't move, run it through the marquee. 3 of the decorative panels, which I'm going to use this pretty paper. And I have a little scrap of it here too, so I'm going to use that too. So we need 3 of that, which would be this little guy. He has a little stitch mark, so even if you wanted to use like a plain paper, it would look really cute. And what I like about that is that you can kind of like look at it and see, okay, what do I want to cut? Do I want like that butterfly? I think if I can get that one in there, I would do that, but I'm not sure I can. So either way, you can see through it and cut whichever one. So 3 of those. And then 3 tags. So as far as the tags, we have that little scallop edge, oopsie, or that straight edge. And I will cut the scallop edge, of course. I'm not going to do that part quite yet. We're going to do the card base, and then I'll see what colors I would like the tags to be. So I'll get these pieces cut, and I'll be right back. Okay. And I mean, that's pretty fast right there. So we're going to score this. So I'm moving on to step 3, even though I haven't cut my tags yet because I want to do this other part first. But so yeah, so the first thing is to go ahead and score your pieces. This one, since it's a long straight edge, I like to kind of baby walk across these kinds of things. Because if you start in the middle, it's possible that you're going to bend it in a funny way. So I always just start where I can and then come over. Just little step by step. Okay, I'll do the same thing on this other side. Okay, I'm just getting her real nice and flat here. And we're going to bring our card base back. And if you want to put some decorative paper on that card base, you can definitely do that. And then just put this on here too. But for now, I'm doing it just like this. And it's showing you here that you're going to put glue, of course, on those tabs. But then across right at the very top of here. So we'll do that in just a second. I'm trying to get glue pretty much on the edge, but also on the top edge, like the inner edge, just because you're going to have tags going in and out. And just in case you don't want to get caught there. And then we're putting glue right at the top here. So that's basically the bottom of this pocket, right? When you put something in there, that's going to stop it from going all the way down. And then this one, so that's kind of what we're doing there. And what I'm going to do is line it up with the bottom here. And I'm looking at it left and right. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to hold that down, so just smoothing it out, making sure this area and this area stay down, of course, and then the sides and the bottom. Okay, I'll be right back. I think we're good there, and then of course we're going to adhere our little pockets on here, or decorative panels, should I say. And so I'm just going to check these out and see if, yeah, that's good. And then we'll just glue those down too. Where is my glue? Of course, under my paper. Alright. And I suppose if this is kind of like layering weight paper, but if you had a thicker paper, you could probably just pop these up too on dimensionals. Just give a little extra dimension. I'm just eyeing this kind of left and right, top to bottom. And it needs to go a little more that way. Okay, and I'll do the same on the other 2 pockets, and that is step 4. So I'll glue this down, and I'll be right back. Okay. So for the tags, I'm not going to cut the shape quite yet still, but look how cute that is. So fast. I'm going to use beige paper, even though I'm going to be doing my stamping on them. and a little bit of coloring, and beige paper obviously makes the colors look a little different, but I think that goes better than white paper for this project. So, and I'll probably cut my tags all from this little lavender color paper, so I'm gonna put that to the side. But for now I'm gonna do some stamping, and then we'll cut them out with this little guy, and then we'll cut out our purple tag base with this one here. So one of the ideas they had on there, I thought it was super cute. Actually, I'm going to use a stamping tool. I'll use this little tiny guy because it's tiny and this is a small thing. People asked me about if I had a review on these. This came with a Evolution Mini, I think. Mini Evolution, whatever it is that We Are Memory Keepers calls that small machine they had. And so it might be in there, but I'm just using it because it's here. Alright. I do prefer like a hinged precision press or precision tool. So, ooh, you know what I didn't think about, and I keep forgetting to think about things like this. That might be okay. I'm going to stamp over this. I was just thinking, do I have this in the right spot on my paper? Hope that didn't move too much. Okay, I was just letting that dry because I know this stuff can get pretty saturated. Sending you love and hugs, I think is what I'll pop in that one. So I'm going to have this right on there. And again, I will use this tool. Is that where I want that? Maybe a little bit over more. And you can definitely eyeball this, which is normally what I do. But since I already have this little tool out, I'll use it. And I need some black ink. It's very delicate. I'm just making sure I have all the letters down here inked up. Aw, how sweet. I love that with the little heart in the background. Very cute. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and stamp one of the telephone, I think, and a few other things, and I'll be right back. I'm just having fun with it. I have the little phone with in purple. I stamped I'm only a phone call away, and then I'm going to put this little guy. I like the way it looks, like a little garden. And again, remembering that I need to cut these out, so I'm giving myself some room in between them. So cute. The image is really sweet. And then, I mean, I can just put that on the tag, but I think I'm going to still put in just like this little love you. And should I do it? Yeah, I'll do it in purple. So sweet and delicate. Okay, and then I'm going to take this piece right here, and we're going to cover these before I make a mess of myself here. And I'm just going to eyeball these and place this on here and cut each one of them out that way. So this one too. I'm actually going to color that phone in too. And then this one just so it looks like a cute little background. I think that's so adorable. Okay, so I will color in the phone maybe with something purple just so it goes back to the card. But I'll have these cut out, and then I'm also going to take this die. So we have those three, and I'm going to take this die and cut out these three in the lightest purple, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go. And so cute. So all I'm going to do is adhere these to their little bases. I would try to get the glue all the way to the edge as close as you can. So what I like to do to make sure that happens is when I put it down, kind of rub a little bit, just so that as you're sliding them in and out, they're not catching in this gap that you might have left, you know. Let's see here. Okay, and I'll do the same with all of them. Okay, guys. Super quick. Super cute. Very easy to work with. And then I think I'm going to put this one in the center because it has that pink, so it makes it a little bit different than the others. And this one in here, and this one in here. How cute is that? I mean, you can do tons of different things. You can put ribbons or, you know, twine on here, however you like. Think of all the stamp sets that you have that you can also just, you know, mix and match in here. How cute. This is too cute. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Diamond Press, for sending these items for review. Super quick, interactive, very fun card to make with this set here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll have the links for you, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.